to our cuisine. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a chicken frank sausage to a good breakfast. So this is the sausage. What I did, this is the sausage right here. I already cut it. I cut it in little pieces just like this. So what I'm gonna do, this is tomato. So I already cut it in little pieces. So what I did, I cut 1 onions and 1 small tomato. So what I'm gonna do, I already put the pot in the fire. So I'm gonna fry those together. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. This is eggs. You need eggs too. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do, okay? Okay, the oil is hot right now, so I'm gonna put the onions and tomato to the oil. I just add the onions to the oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it right now, just like this. We're mixing it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some seasoning. I'm gonna add the Maggi seasoning, and I'm gonna add my herbs too. I like that herbs, it smells very good. And I'm gonna add the chicken seasoning. So I'm gonna add those 3 seasoning, and I'm gonna just fry a little bit in the pot because I want to make sure the onions is a little bit cooked, because you know the sausage is cooked already, so you don't need to do much with it. So now the onions is fried. Now you see, like it's not really cooked, but cooked a little bit. So now you're gonna put the sausage now, because you want the sausage to cook too a little bit too. So you're gonna mix it. Okay, so you're gonna mix it well like the way I just did it. So don't let it cook, okay? Okay, when it's like this, so you already know it's cooked already. So like you see, you can see it like it's a little bit swell, a little bit like a balloon, just a little bit. So that means it's done. Like this, you can even make a sandwich out of this. You just put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bread and put this on the inside the bread, and it would taste so good. That can be good lunch for you. Like sometimes when I'm going to work, like I can make a lunch out of this, and it tastes so good. When I give it to my friends, they're gonna be asking me, "Where you got this from?" I'll be like, "I made it home." They'll be like, "Oh, it tastes so good." So this, you're gonna like it. You can make a sandwich out of it, and this today I'm making breakfast out of it. So this is done. I'm gonna remove this and put this in the pot. In another plate, and after I'm gonna fry the eggs too. Okay, so I got the eggs already. So I already put the eggs inside the bowl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add Maggi seasoning to it, but very light, not too much. You're gonna taste it and the way you like your seasoning, so you're gonna season your egg to that. So I'm gonna put it very light, just like this. Not too much, that's enough. And this is my same pot, so I did not wash my pot, because you got all those flavors to the pot, and you're gonna leave it like that. You're gonna add just a little bit of oil to it. So I'm gonna I'm gonna beat this like this. You wanna make sure you do it very well like this. If you want, you can add a little bit of milk to it too. That can give a nice moisture to your eggs. If you want to. If you don't want to, you will not add no milk. A lot of time when I'm doing eggs, sometimes I will add the milk, so to give me that nice moisture to it. So I'm gonna add the oil to the pot, and I'm gonna start frying my eggs. Okay, I just add the oil to the pot, not that much, just a little tiny bit. So what I would like to do, like just a little bit like this, and you're gonna know if the oil is nice and hot, like the way you want it. So now I'm gonna start frying my eggs. I'm gonna put some egg like this in the pot, and you're gonna wait till it is nice and like if it's fried to the other side. So you're gonna pull it, flip it, and put in the plate. So you always make sure you got a clean plate next to you. So this is the clean plate, and this is my sausage plate, and this is my eggs. So you see what I'm doing to the end. You want to make sure if it's cooked. You're gonna check the ends if it's time to flip it. So you will allow it to flip it. So you need to cook a little bit. because you need to make sure the middle is bubbling. When it's bubbling, that means it's ready to flip it. I'm just making it today like the way you make like a pancake, just the same way. If you want to do a scrambled egg, no problem, you're welcome to do a scrambled egg, but this is not a scrambled egg. So I'm frying it like the way I'm frying like a pancake, you see, and I'm gonna flip it just like pancake. That's how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna flip it right now, so just like this. Well, it's a little bit burnt, a little bit. Well, not too bad. So you're gonna fry like a pancake. I love doing my eggs like this. So everybody have their own way to cook their eggs. So you're welcome to cook your egg the way you want it to do it. It's not by force to do it on my own way. You can do scrambled egg and do the same thing. It's still gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna start frying. Alright, so I just wanna show this batch. Like you see, this is nice and clear. It's not burnt like the other one because I was flipping it. So you see, this is a little bit burnt, and this one is good. So okay, I already finished frying everything. So this is my bread. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put in the bread. So this is the eggs, and this is the sausage, and this is mayonnaise. You need mayonnaise, okay? This is my Parade mayonnaise, and it's very cheap. So any kind of mayonnaise you got home, you can use that, okay? So I already opened the bread like this. Just open the bread like that. You're gonna put some mayonnaise on the bread. This is like a teaspoon. If you like a lot of mayonnaise, hey, you're welcome to do that, okay? So I'm gonna add the mayonnaise just like this. Because you need to make sure you got mayonnaise both sides, okay? Like if you don't want too much, you can close it for a minute just like that. Press it, do it down a little bit. So you're gonna have mayonnaise on both sides if you don't want to put too much, okay? So you're gonna put the eggs first, just like this. You want to make sure you cover the bread everywhere with eggs, okay? So after, you're gonna take some sausage like this with my spoon, and you're gonna add it in the middle just like this. Okay, so you're gonna do it just like this, and you're gonna close it down, and you have a good breakfast. If you want no bread, you can just take some eggs and some sausage, and you're gonna take a spoon or fork, so you're gonna eat it like that, okay? So this is how I make my chicken fried sausage, okay? Cheap, and you got a good breakfast. This is for me and my whole crew, my kid and my husband. We all have a good breakfast right now. For how much? Very cheap. I did not even spend like $5, less than $5. So thank you for watching Howard Cuisine. Please go and subscribe. Please subscribe. If you guys subscribe, I will keep posting more video, and love you guys. Bye.